60 years old man came with the history of 4 to 6 months history of chest pain, breathlessness and dry cough. The main point of learning of this X-ray is to see bony cage properly. If you see carefully, you will see that left shoulder is down as compared to the right shoulder. It means there is some pathology in the left side. And if you see the bony cage properly, you will see that second rib and the third and fourth ribs is not visualized. It is most probably eroded, and the most probable cause of erosion of rib is some malignant pathology. And if you see the trachea also, left main bronchus is abruptly discontinued. It means some mass has compressed the left main bronchus. And if you see the ribs, both sides, there is a crowding of ribs on the left side. So crowding of rib is also shows there is some pathology which has led to collapse or shrink of the absorption collapse of the lung, which has led to the crowding of the rib. And there is a homogeneous shadow on the left side with obliteration of left CP angle. So CP angle obliteration, homogeneous possibility of associated fluid is also there. So left-sided pleural effusion is also there. There is ill-defined homogeneous irregular wall shadow over the heart. Stillhouse sign is positive. So it means there is large mass shadow over the left side which has caused the almost collapse of the left lung, and with erosion of the second, third and fourth rib, with the mild pleural effusion, there is a strong possibility of some malignant pathology. And if you see the erosion of bone is more common in mesothelioma, so the most possible cause will be the mesothelioma. Thanks.